Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use your effects tab on TikTok. If you are having trouble on using your effects tab on TikTok, don't worry, I'll be showing you guys how to. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your TikTok app and then click on the add button. Then you can go on the video and record a video. Then what you can do is go on the effects tab and then put on any effects you want, or you could also do that just before recording the video and from the starting, and there you are in the effects tab. Now what you can do is go to either trending, create new, AI, funny, games, edit, photo editing, appearance, vibe. TikTok has given you a lot of options to choose from. You can also choose from the ones you have favorited. And yeah, this is how you can use your effects tab on TikTok. I hope this video helped you guys. And yeah, what you can also do is go ahead and search for effects, the ones that you're specifically looking for. So yeah, this is how you guys can use effects on TikTok. I hope this video helped you guys on using TikTok's effect tab. If it did, let me know in the comment. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tip fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.